Hi, I'm David Hauser, owner of Morningstar Doors and Windows, and today we're bringing you a how-to. Make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Morningstar Doors and Windows. If you like this, hit the like button and leave a comment. So now we're taking a look at the Provia screen removal. This one happens to be the indoor. The screen removal is going to be the same regardless of your model. All the screens are spring loaded, so we're going to show you how it's done. So you're going to want to lift this up, pull it to the left. You'll notice the spring. And you bring that back in, okay? And then if you're putting it back in, just reverse the process. Make sure it's lined up in the hole. And you're sneaking it back in. You're all set. All right, so just to note, we just took a look at the double hung, the full screen and half screen remove the same. I would just recommend just always pushing it to the left like I showed you. Now for the casement, you might need a putty knife or a slotted screwdriver, but occasionally you can just do it with your fingers or your nails. There's this little mechanism right here. You're going to slide this to the right, slide that to the left, and then pulls right out. Okay, this is a nice heavy duty metal frame screen, and all you're doing is turning this little dial right here, and that's what's going to hold it in. Putting it back is as simple as you took it off, just lining it up, turning that to the left, turning this to the right. You're all set. And that's the same for casement and awning. So similar to the Provia double hungs where we pushed it to the left, these sliders are very simple, whether it's full or half. You're simply just pushing it up. They put the springs on the top, so all you're doing is either pushing it up, popping it back in. Same for full and half.